Hello and welcome back to another episode of Scooter of the Week. I am your host, Greg. Today I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I've been doing scooters. Obviously, this is called Scooter of the Week, but today I'm switching it up to a power chair. Just doesn't have the same ring to it, power chair of the week. So anyways, we're going to go into a company by the name of WHILL. I did do a scooter of the week for their Model Ri travel scooter. So this is one of their power chairs. It's the Model C2, and let's go over it. So it is a travel power chair. You could take it apart into 4 very easy pieces. Your heaviest piece is only 42 pounds, which is not bad for the size of this thing. It's very lightweight. So a couple of my favorite features on this. I'm going to start with the front wheels. Typically they're front casters that kind of spin around with you. Sometimes they hit your foot, you know, when your foot are on the foot platform. These Omni wheels that they have, you could see it probably in the video above here. They stay with the power chair. They stay straight. When you turn, they do not swivel or anything like that. It's an amazing technology that they came up with, so definitely something to look at. My other favorite feature on this, and all their products offer this, but if you download the WHILL app, let's say you are in, let's say you're in a chair and your power chair is across the room. You can turn on this WHILL app, connect to your C2, and basically bring it to you by controlling it with your phone, with that app. So another amazing feature with this Model C2. So we've got a 300-pound weight capacity. You're going to get a beautiful driving range of up to 11.2 miles per charge and a nice top speed of 5 miles per hour. So it's pretty quick for a power chair. Seat sizes, you've got different seat sizes starting at 16 by 16 inches, 18 by 18 inches, or an 18 by 18 inch seat with a 20-inch cushion and a 20-inch wide armrest. So technically it becomes, a 20 by 18. So great seat sizes, and you've got about 9 different color choices. They have white, they have black, blue, red, a gold, a light blue, a pink, purple, and a lime green. So you can customize this with your favorite color. There's quite a few different colors here. So yeah, I mean, that covers it. It's really an amazing power chair by an amazing company. The people at WHILL will always take care of you, just like us here at AutoMobility Store. So go to our website actually and check out the product video that you see above that I made for this. Kind of shows you how it looks, going outside and how it operates and stuff like that. So again, the WHILL Model C2 Power Chair. If you have any questions, give us a call, 800-431-3183. Thank you so much.